Welcome student. In this lecture we discussed about the hard disk and which are the features of the hard disk, and also discussed about the structure of the hard disk. So it is a physical view of hard disk. Whenever cover is off, that time the view of the hard disk is like that. So first of all, introduction about the hard disk. So what is hard disk? The short form of hard disk is HDD. So we all know that hard disk is a storage device, and whenever you want to store a data permanently, right, that time you use a hard disk. So you can easily read the definition of here. A hard disk is a storage device that is used for storing and retrieving digital information using like a rapidly rotating disk, otherwise you can say platters coated with a magnetic material, and hard disk remain its data even power off. Means power off means it is a secondary device. So it is a definition of secondary device. Whenever power is off, power is gone, that time your data is also stored in your devices. That data is read in the random access manner, meaning its individual block of the data can be stored or retrieved in any order rather than sequential. So hard disk drive was invented by IBM. The company name is IBM, and the person who was developed, his name is Ray Johnson, and in 1954. So these all are the internally component, otherwise you can say internally structure of the hard disk. You can easily saw that there are different types of components whenever you want to read, otherwise whenever you want to write a data from hard disk. So there are a list of the components. First is a disk platter. Then disk platter means this one is a disk platter. This is rotation portion looking like a disk. It is a platter. Then stepper motor. Okay, stepper motor is it is stepper motor and spindle motor. There are two types of motors are available. Spindle motor means here you can say spindle, the rotation of center of the platter, it is spindle. Spindle means what? Whenever disk is rotated continuously, right, that is a help of spindle, and this rotation is done by spindle motor. Whenever stepper motor means what? Whenever data is reading from the platters by help of head, this is a actuator, and then actuator arm, and this lead means top of the lead, it is called a read and write head, and data will be written, otherwise data will be read by this read and write head. Whenever data read, then that movement of the track, what is track, that I will explain you in a next topic. So whenever data is reading, that time this actuator arm is moving either upward side, otherwise it is moving either backward side. So that is performing by stepper motor. Okay, then read and write head, and then arm. Okay, first component that I am already discussed, that is a disk platter. So disk platter means it is coated with a magnetic material, and data is stored in the platter. And another thing is that data is stored in a platter, but as a binary information, right, in form of bits, otherwise in form of byte. Second components already discussed, that is a stepper motor. Stepper motor means whenever head is continuously read or write the data, the movement of the head, that is handled by stepper motor. Third one is a spindle motor. means disk is rotating in circular motion that will be performed by spindle motor. Next one is a read and write head. It is a main component, means we all know that gramophone that was used earlier, means whenever anybody touch this head touch on the plate, and then whenever head touch to plate, that time data will read by head, and you can listen a music with help of gramophone, right? That is same functionality used in a hard disk structure. Means this is a disk, right? There are basically two components of the disk. First one, you can see here the multiple circular motions are there. Suppose I am indicating a red color, so it is called a track, right? There are multiple tracks in single DVD, otherwise single disc. Then these multiple tracks, this circular motion, it is called a track, and each of the track divided in particular portion, so that is called a sector. Okay. Then head arm. Head arm means there are a disk structure that all are the components of the disk. First one is a track, then second one is a sector, third one is a storage capacity, otherwise you can say cluster, fourth one is a cylinder, otherwise you can say stop of the track. Okay, so first one is what is track, means that there are multiple circle in the individual disk. This circle indicates as a track, and multiple circles, otherwise multiple tracks divided in a small portion, that is indicates a sector, otherwise sector of track. Okay, and the data will stored in this portion, means in this sector. These all are the definition of track and sector. So it is a basic definition about the track. What is a track? The HDD means hard disk is divided into numbers of concentric circle. It is called a track. Circular path in the sector is called a track, right? Whatever you see here, this circular portion, it is indicates as a track. Next one is a sector. It is a definition of sector. The data storage area in the track multiple divided into multiple block, it's called a sector. Means track is divided in a small portion, otherwise small blocks, that is indicates as a sector, and data is stored as a byte, otherwise bit, in this sector. Next one is cylinder. A set of the corresponding track in all side of hard disk is called a cylinder. Means there are multiple disk can be used in hard disk, right? So these multiple disks tracks in all of side, that is called a hard disk cylinder. Okay, it is a definition about the storage capacity. Whenever you want to calculate the capacity of storage about the hard disk, so it is the equation of hard disk storage capacity calculation. Storage capacity is equal to numbers of cylinders into tracks per cylinders. Next portion is that file system in the hard disk, right? File system means there are multiple files that we are storing in the hard disk as a permanent way. Okay, suppose I have different types of photographs in my hard disk I can store, then different types of movies, games that I can store in my hard disk. So it is called my file, right? Now next one is file allocation table. What is a file allocation table? It is not a security, right? Another word is there, partition. Partition means what? Okay, next topic, our next topic is that what is a partition. So I just give some introduction. Partition means what? Whenever we install a new operating system in our PC, that time That time operating system asks, do you want to partition your data in individual drive? Suppose by defaultly C drive is your main drive. Whenever you install any data, it can be stored in a C drive, but in our PC we can see C drive, D drive, right? So that is called a partition. It is does not support data compression. Compression means कि डेटा को जो डेटा को जिप करते हैं हम, दैट इज़ अ कंप्रेशन. इट इज़ डज नॉट सपोर्ट डिस्क कोटा. विंडोज़ ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम कंफर्टेबिलिटी. Then file system in hard disk. So file system in hard disk, that is a support of NTFS, that is a new technology file system. Right now we all our in our PCs use NTFS, so it is a secure. So it may be asked in your exam, what is the difference between NTFS and what is the difference between file system FAT. So it is a difference about FAT and NTFS. NTFS is more secure compared to file system. In a file system, partition size maybe it's maximum you can partition the data as a 32-bit, but in NTFS you can partition the data as a 1 terabyte. Then it is also support data compression, then disk quota, and then Windows comfortability. So it is a finally conclusion about the hard disk. Hard disk is a revolutionized the digital age as we know it. Hard disks are the most widely used technology for storage for our information and data. Without hard disk, the computer digital age we live in the world not the same. Thank you. Hope you all are understand.